the one who told me that she was here.
Wait, what? I'm sorry, what did you do? Are you kidding me right now? After everything that we've been through and I trusted you about this, friend, you would betray me like this?
Oh, things are getting a little bit rough.
I can't believe you! Why would you do that? Oh my gosh, I thought you were on my side! I thought we were friends! You were my wolf pack friend! You were my wolf pack! Oh my god! After everything you betrayed me like this, you're kicked from the wolf pack! You're not in my pack anymore!
Tell me pretty lies, look me in my face. Tell me that you love me even though it's fucking fake.